Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? I want to notify you of a public appearance I'll be making. Got some notes here. Digital Wood Carver out of Martinsville, Indiana is having an open house on November the 9th of 2024. And they've invited me to come out, turn some pins live, and just basically meet with people and hang out and have a great time. This open house will be from the hours of noon to 5 on the 9th. And there are going to be a lot of great vendors there. Of course, Digital Wood Carver will be showing, demonstrating some of their amazing CNCs. We'll have Woodpecker, Wood Miser will be there. They will be milling lumber. We've got Accurate Cutting Technologies, True Track. We have an indie-based hardwood dealer, and of course, a couple of YouTubers, me being one of them. I think there might be one or two more vendors, and there is a Facebook post about this, and I'll give you that in just a minute. And you can go there and check out all the details. I was invited by an old friend of mine, Laney Shaughnessy. You guys may remember Laney if you've been around for a while. He was a woodworker many, many years ago on YouTube, and he started working for Digital Wood Carver and demoing their tools at trade shows. He will be at the open house, and he will be teaching and demoing on all of their CNC units. There will also be, he wanted me to make sure I notified you of this, door prizes at the event. Woodpecker has given about $500 worth of giveaways, plus there'll be some other things, so it should be a great time. I'm going to go ahead and in the description to this video, I'm going to put the landing page on Facebook with all of the details to the show. So if you happen to be in or around Indianapolis, the Martinsville is right outside of Indy, I want you to come out. I want you to visit with me, say hey. I want you to go see all of the great vendors will be there. Enjoy the show. It should be a great time, and maybe you'll get lucky, win a door prize. But if nothing else, you'll meet some great people. You'll have a good time. You'll see some interesting demos, and I just think it's going to be an awesome open house, and I want you to come out and enjoy it. You know, this is a great way to make contacts in the woodworking world. I also want you to know that I will post another couple of videos between now and the show, talking about it and promoting the show and trying to build interest. So please consider coming to the show. I'd love to meet you. I want you to know that you are always welcome in my shop. Come back and see me again real soon. And be sure to come see me in Martinsville at the Digital Wood Carver Open House on November the 19th from noon to 5. I'm looking forward to meeting you.